Delivered this morning and getting installed tomorrow. Paul, you have gone for Filtermist. Why?
Well, it was another solution offered to us by Ward High Tech, involved with them as partnership really. It's something that we need to do to create a better environment as we go, and obviously benefit the machinists.
Of course, so when they're opening the doors, it's an air filtration system essentially. When they're opening the doors, you haven't got all the particles in the air that they're going to be breathing in. It's getting installed tomorrow.
Yes.
Are you doing it?
No, the engineers from Filtermist will be coming down themselves, and they've already done a site survey, so they know everything that needs to be done to each machine as they're fitted one by one.
Okay, and maintenance of these, is that easy?
It's fairly straightforward. It's something that our maintenance team on site can do. It's just a case of monitoring and changing the filters on a regular basis.
All right then, so we found out that they're easy to install, getting installed already. The fact that they're great for your workforce. Why ultimately are you here at this company needing to invest in these systems?
I think really that the health and safety executive are going to push for this in the next coming months, maybe 12 months ahead. So really we're just preempting it, and it's something that we want to do in our continuous improvement in everything we've done in the last 2 years, and we should just see it as the next step in creating the best environment we can to work in.
And your machine shop is immaculate. Is this going to keep it that way?
Yeah, it's certainly going to help. We've figured that we've attracted the creme de la creme of machinists around the area, and obviously everybody wants to work in the best environment they can do.